Hello and welcome back to our channel. Overnight oats is one of the very popular recipes we all love to make. So, today in our breakfast series of weight loss diet plan is my version of making an overnight oats. Now, if you want to check out the other recipes we have already shared in the series of weight loss, then there's a link to the whole playlist in the description below. Check out each of the recipes and let us know which one stands out your favorite. As of now, let's get to the recipe of making my favorite overnight oats. Here into a jar, let's drop in our main ingredient. And I'm taking the rolled oats. Next, I love to add the cashew cream for a good source of protein. And a small portion of organic honey for sweetness, where you can use any other sweetness of your choice, or simply skip it. Then add milk of any source, either vegan or dairy. Simply stir in well and keep to rest either for the overnight or maybe for a minimum of 3 to 4 hours. And if you're keeping it overnight, then it's good to keep it in the refrigerator. So here's our oat mix after the resting period. Now these are some of the fruits I'm going to use it as toppings. And so just before serving, let's make the final preps. This is where you can play with and select any fruits of your choice or maybe the seasonal ones. But in case if you're using the dairy source of milk, then it's good to skip the citrus fruits. The oats are well soaked in the milk and has turned soft as well. So let's top it with the fruits. As of now, here I'm using apple, half portion of banana, and a handful of blueberries. More details of the ingredients used and their action on the body as regards weight loss are mentioned in our website. If you are interested to know more about them, there is a link to the website in the description below. So yes, simply stir in and serve yourself with this delicious and healthy oats recipe. It's again simple to make and saves a lot of time. Of course, the best to have on hectic or busy days of your weight loss journey. So this is one of the recipes I use for making the overnight oats. Do definitely give a try and let us know how you like it. Also, if you have any similar favorite recipes, please do share with us in the comments below. Thank you for being with us and I would love to see you soon in our next video.